What's up, Squizzy? What's up, Leon? How you guys doing? Way too bright for me right now. Great, nice, let's go. Big chillin'. How's your guys' day, man? How was your guys' day? I'm good, man, I'm good. Happy it's Monday, happy to be back on the charts. You know? What's up, migas? Migas. Happy Monday, Leon. Let's go. Man, I'm so glad the markets are open again. The curve, the little one for most of the day. It sounds like me, bro. Sounds like me. What's up, gang boy? What's happening, bro? Hello, mate. Hello, mate. How you been, Leon? I haven't seen you in a while, bro. That's life, yeah. That's life, man. When we make these decisions, we have to, you know, we have to stick by them, man. See them through. When we decide to, oh, what's happening to the YouTube stream? Was the YouTube stream dying? You guys hear me okay? On the YouTube stream? We seem to be losing frames. Ah, saying it's got a bad connection on my screen. Alright, seems to be back again. Was working at the greenhouses last week. Oh, nice, Leon. What's up, Morad? It's fine, okay. Alright, that's good. Saying that, like, yeah, we're like losing frames or something, which is not good. Can you guys in the TikTok hear me okay? The TikTok boys? The tickety tock? We'll wait for a few more people to get in, and then we'll do some analyses to get in. What's up, Seal? What's up, Seal the deal? Seal the real deal. Seal's the real deal. What's up, Andy? This guy. What's up, bro? What's up, Mikkel? Every evening, my time watching the recording of the stream and reading Discord posts. Oh, nice, Leon. Today's trade is my fastest 60 pips ever. Only 7 minutes. Yeah, that was crazy, right? Did you take that on the 5 minute, Seal? Was that from the 5 minute? Where am I based? I'm based in Melbourne, bro. Australia, Melbourne. I use 5 minute time frame, yeah. Oh yeah, I see it right here, the buy signal. Yeah, that thing just took off, man. 93 pips from that buy signal entry. 93 pips. But I mean, all the time frames called it out. The 30 minute right here also called it. With the buy signal down here, which is the one that I took, and then the 1 hour also called it as well. 1 hour time frame right here. Buy signal. 94 pips. Yo, Oz, thank you for the follow. Visit Africa, bro? Oh, I'd love to. I'd love to visit Africa. Maybe when my daughter's a little bit older. What's up, Tony? Let's go, bro. Let's go. I got $500. What should I buy? I don't know. Guys, Oz has got $500. What should he buy? What broker you use? FP Markets. FP. To stay focused, I love that. I love that, Leon. Let's go, man. Leon, how many? You got 2 more to go, right? No, it's all good, Leon. I was just checking how long you've got left. Still got another couple left, right? So, all right. Doing sales on USD JPY, said JK. All right, very nice. So, today's buys. So what I was seeing basically, obviously we still have to pay attention to the monthly time frame at this point because we're still very close to monthly open. Can you guys hear me on YouTube still? Man, like I'm just getting bad connection right here. If I show you guys the screen, you see down here, you see how it's like in red. The connection was red for a second. We've dropped 2,500 frames, which is not good at all. So it's saying it's a bad connection right now. But if you guys say you can hear me, then I'll continue. You hear me? It's not laggy or anything. So weird. Anyway, so basically looking at the monthly time frame, no lag. Okay. No, that was on the YouTube, Oz. The TikTok is fine. The YouTube's just got a bad connection right now. I'm not sure what's happening, but yeah, looking at the monthly time frame, you know, we're still fairly fresh into the month. It's only the 6th, so I'm keeping an eye on the monthly time frame just to see how it's forming. And so far, you know, the previous monthly candle closed bullish, obviously with a strong rejection. You know, so there's a chance that this month can come up and fill this wick for sure. You know, and that's a move of like 1,453 pips. But what I was looking at today is a continuation, right? If you take a look at the daily, you know, the previous daily was bearish, previous weekly was bearish. So my idea and my thoughts for today was based off of the monthly and the weekly, right? The monthly is pushing bullish. We've opened up, we've made a bottom wick, and now we're pushing bullish. And I think targets can potentially be up into these previous highs. If not, it can at least push up, you know, a bit into this wick before it potentially rejects and flips bearish. And also the weekly, right? We have a new weekly candle today. It's Monday. So the weekly is also likely, if it is going to continue bearish, right? Because the previous weekly was bearish. And at this point on the weekly time frame, there's bearish structure now, right? Because we've got highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. And now we've got lows, lower lows, lower lows. So from a weekly perspective, the structure is bearish. And also from the daily currently, right? The daily structure is also bearish. So, can you do fundamental? What do you mean fundamental? Yeah, I'll go with fundamental in a minute. Seal. So, I was anticipating that price for the new weekly candle, right? Already opened up, made a bottom wick for the daily and the weekly and started pushing bullish. So my idea was that it was coming up to make a weekly top wick. Now, whether that continues based on the monthly candle coming up into these highs, we don't know that yet. But basically, if the weekly is going to continue bearish, right, then it has to make a top wick. It doesn't have to, but there's a good chance it's going to make a top wick, right, before it flips back bearish and starts pushing to the downside. So that was my idea. The monthly is also bullish. The daily, you know, is consolidating at the moment, right? We're in a range on the daily. It's not really doing anything, and that's because we've had NFP, we had interest rates, unemployment, and everything last week. So as it was, you can see that the daily opened, made a bottom wick and started pushing bullish, and now it's broken the previous daily high. But if you look at the daily, you know, from this point, it's the same as the weekly, right? It was creating lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, right? If you're looking at the structure point, structure is bearish. Structure on the weekly is bearish. But often, like I said, on Mondays, you can get that pullback. I like to call it the Monday pullback candle, right? Because if the weekly is bearish, on Monday, what is likely, not always, but what is likely to happen is on Monday, the weekly will flip bullish, make a top wick, potentially even close bullish, same as Tuesday. And then usually around like maybe like late Tuesday or Wednesday, Thursday, you then get that move in the overall direction of the weekly. But at this point now, you know, the structure has been broken on the daily. So we've made a higher low and now broke out previous highs and made a higher high. So you hear me clearly? Okay, you guys might be a little bit behind. You might have to refresh the stream to get the. Are you not behind? You might have to refresh the stream to come up to get to the most recent part. But yeah, basically I was just anticipating that weekly top wick to be formed right before it potentially flips back bearish. And what happened pre-London is this candle right here, which gave it away, right? This 4-hour candle opened up and look how it closed, right? Closed very strong bullish, breaking out of all of these highs, closing above all of these highs, and then we get the continuation on the lower time frames, then on the signal time frames, right? So the 5, the 15, the 30, the 1 hour. So we take buys. That's it. Very simple. Just anticipate, you know, one thing that we have in our favor is the monthly is bullish, right? And so with that in mind, if the weekly, like I said, is going to continue bearish, then you would expect a top wick to be formed. And this is why I took this trade. I was just anticipating that weekly top wick. If it is going to continue bearish, it will flip back bearish, continue bearish. If it's going to continue bullish, it's most likely to break past previous weekly highs, which is up here, and then continue bullish. But as of today, yeah, I was just looking at that weekly top wick being formed. You know, continuation potentially on the monthly, and then we'll see what happens from there. Yo, Joel and Blackout, thank you guys for the follows on TikTok. Let's go. Welcome to the TikTok gang. If you guys want to come over to the YouTube channel and subscribe over there, we're also live on YouTube as well if you guys are interested. YouTube. Where's the entry for a buy? It was over here, bro. It was right here. On the 30-minute time frame, the 5-minute also called it perfectly as well. The 5-minute called it right here. Re-entry now. I won't be bro. Why would I re-enter? The move has already happened. I've got a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, 72 pips. Why would I re-enter? That trade's done. We move on to the next. We look for the next. Now we await the next signal. You can see it says signal status scanning. It's scanning for a signal. So we wait. But yo, you guys on YouTube, I think you guys might be a little bit behind. But right now, like I said, we've broken previous daily highs, right? Broken previous daily highs. And at this point, it's kind of playing around that level now, right? Because that is a break of structure level. You know, around this red line. This is previous daily highs. So you see we closed above. Price tried to stay above, rejected. Now it's closed back below. It's tried to pop above again, right? It's tried to break out again and continue bullish. But now price has come back into it. So, my indicator table is not updated. Oh, seal. I think you have to delete the indicator from your chart and then re-add it. Just on TradingView. So just over here in your top left, just exit like this, boom, and then go into indicators. Go to invite only again when it loads. Go to invite only down here, and then click it again and re-add it, bro, and it should update it. It should update it. Evening Star? I'm not sure about that candle pattern, to be honest. Ayan. Obviously, I know what it is, but I don't trade Evening Star. I'm not sure how reliable that is. You're talking about this right here. You got it? Nice, Seal. Squizzy said, I've had an issue where I'm using a lot size calculator. I only have a small amount deposited, but based off my balance and 2% risk, I sometimes see that my volume should be 0.05%, but I can only seem to ever do 0.01 trades no matter what my stop loss is, etc. Probably because the leverage, Squizzy. So leverage on gold is a lot less. So based on your account, size, that's probably the max lot size you can go right now. Because yeah, leverage on gold, especially if in Australia, leverage on Forex is a 1 to 30. Leverage on gold is a 1 to 20. So you've got even less leverage on gold. So you need to have quite a big account if you're going to be trading you know, decent lot sizes. But yeah, Seal. With the indicator now, bro, if you want to add alerts, you can just right click on the chart, add alert, and it's going to come up over here. Right, you go to the condition drop down, go to Forex with Cody version 4. You're going to go to expiration and click open ended so that it doesn't, it never expires. And then just go over here and rename it. And you need to do it for every single chart. So right now I'm on the 30-minute. I would just put 30-minute signal, right? And now that's going to alert you every time a signal shows on the 30-minute time frame, right? And then you need to do that for every time frame. So then you'd go down to the 15. And you would do it again, right? You would click add alert, same thing, Forex with Cody algo, open ended, and then you'll change this to the 15-minute. But it's all in the education section on the academy or the indicator course, right? It's all on the website, bro. It's all on the website, brother. Indication of a downtrend. I think this will be indication of a continuation, Ayan. A bullish continuation. If it was the other way around, if this was the opposite way, for example, if you're looking at a bearish one like this, then it would mean a downtrend, right? Like this. But yeah, let's see if this is gonna be a weekly start wick being formed, and then we're gonna flip back bearish. We can get out the fib and look at where price is retraced into. It's retraced perfectly into that 618 zone, right? So the weekly could be, you know, tapping into here, finding resistance at this point and continuing bearish. We'll have to wait and see. If we go down onto the 30 and look at that. Yeah, it's tapping into that level beautifully. Yeah. Good night. 1 second, guys. I'm just saying good night to my daughter. Sorry about that, guys. Liquidity must be swept at 2326. Okay. Good night to my daughter. Thank you for that. Okay, all right. See, I didn't know they had different leverages for different pairs. Yeah, so yeah, Forex, like currency pairs, will have a 1 to 30. It's like I'm talking about in Australia. And yeah, commodities, gold will have 1 to 20. 1 to 20. Unfortunately. But yeah, beautiful. Beautiful trade, my guy. Beautiful trade. And who's this? Who took trades today? Who took trades today? TikTok. Anyone on TikTok take a trade today? You took a trade? What trade did you take today, Mafia? The Mafia. Gold, yeah, this is gold. I took a sell at 2323. 2323. Like right now? I'm talking about right now. Are you still in it? 320 profit on gold buy today. Let's go. Let's get it. Yeah, this was the academy today. This was the members, right? We got Tony in here. We literally all took the same trade. We all took the same trade, man. Without any, like, you know, talking about it. We were all just locked in taking the trade. It was kind of insane. So Tony took some buys. Seal, who's in the YouTube chat, took some buys. Squizzy, is it Squizzy? Yeah, it's Squizzy, yeah. Took buys. Omar took buys. We all took the exact same trade. It was a thing of beauty. We all took the same buys. Congrats to members, yeah. Oh, you was out 60 pips this morning? What do you mean this morning? 2323. I took Xauusd. I took a sell at 2323. Are you sure? This would have been morning for you, right, Klein? Where are you? This was like late in the evening for me, like 6 p.m. He was out 60 pips, yeah, nice. So you probably would have gotten here, out, down here somewhere, yeah. In gold 4-hour time frame, there are sell zones. Do you agree? Sell zones on the 4-hour time frame. I mean, I suppose if you're talking about like this level right here, yeah, potentially the price is currently tapping into. Oh, you're in South Africa, okay. Makes sense. So what time is it in South Africa right now? I think gold will be bearish now. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. It's tapping into it's broken previous daily highs in the downtrend. So it's kind of broken that bearish structure. But we could have it could pull back momentarily. I mean, it's gold is in two different you know, movements at the moment. On monthly, it's in that bullish uptrend, right? The monthly is pushing bullish. Like the current monthly candle is bullish. It's made a low and it's pushing to the upside. On the weekly, it's now broken that bullish structure. So we got lower highs and lower lows at this point. We've got two bearish closures. So this could be a weekly top wick forming to just continue bearish, and then it could leave a monthly top wick, which I think potentially is what's going to happen. The daily is bearish, but it's also just in a strong consolidation at this point, right? It's just in a range, especially within the last few daily candles, which, you know, is to be expected when you have weeks like NFP, interest rates, unemployment. So looking into this week, there's not really anything this week that we can be too you know, data wise, fundamentally wise, nothing too much that is going to move gold like that. So AMG Flex, yo, AMG Flex, do you have an AMG, bro, or what? Are you capping? Yeah, I entered when the 50-minute broke above the previous to fill the wick to the left, 14 pips. Oh, nice, bro. Are you talking about this week over here? Hi from Thailand. What's up, Tazzy? What up, Tazzy? Tazzy 1, 2, 3. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum, dum, dum, dum. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful trade, man. So 5-3. All right. It's 1 here, 1 p.m. Yeah, 1 p.m. right? Where are you in South Africa? I'm capping right now, but it's on the way. Yes, sir, I like that. I love me an AMG, man. Not gonna lie. As much as I try not to get sucked into that, you know, it's hard not to, man. When you see one driving around, you're just like, man, that is a beast. Cape Town? Oh, nice. What's it like in Cape Town, man? Is it... You hear loads of stories about South Africa, man. Like, I had a friend back in school, but he was from Durban. Was it Durban? Something like that. Do you follow every signal on your indicator produces? Not every single one, no. Only the ones within the trading windows. We have the settings set to only show the signals within the trading windows, but you can turn this off and then that will show signals outside of the trading window. As we can see, we have one right here, but that starts to get inconsistent, right? So we just only take them during the trading windows because that's when the most volume is in the market, and that's when there's more likelihood of the trade playing out in our favor, or at least giving us a nice 10-15 pip push so we can move stops to break even and just go risk free. But for example, if we take one signal, right? If we take, for example, if I took this buy and it hit take profit or stop loss, then I won't take another signal for that day. I only take one signal a day. That's it. Otherwise, you can end up taking just multiple signals a day, and you don't want to be that trader. Do you stop loss? Yeah, it gives a stop loss, bro. It gives a stop loss, Pepe. So if you have a look on the chart right now, in the top right, you can see how the chart will be changed. You see how the chart has changed now, right? So when this buy signal appears, it will show up with the exact entry. It will show up with the exact stop loss, take profit 1 and take profit 2, right? So it will give you all the levels, bro. And then you just go on and set the levels, and then go from there. But then once that hits take profit, it will go back to scanning for more signals again. But one trade a day, man. One trade a day is all you need. 1 or 2 trades. For example, if I take a losing trade, sometimes if the setup looks good, I'll give it a second chance. The more trades you take, the more losses you have. Learn that the hard way. Yeah, exactly. What is my win ratio? Oh, actually, you just reminded me, Xauusd. I need to put today's trade into the journal. We're on a crazy win streak right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wins in a row. 8 wins in a row once I add in today's trade. That's the best streak I've had this year. What's the date? 5th. So you do 05, 06, 2024. But my win, let me put this in and I'll tell you the win ratio. I'll tell you the exact win ratio. So this was 16, which is 4 p.m. which would be pre-London session on gold. It was a buy. It was a type. It was a type 2. Setup 4 full lot, 5 lot size. This will be 8 wins in a row, Murad. 8. We are about 400 off the 50k mark. So my win ratio is currently 65.59%. Xauusd. For this year, 183.89% account gain. They're all manual, Pepe. They're all manual. I haven't got like it would be. I'd have to make a script or whatever it's called for MT5. But this is just on TradingView, so you still have to enter it manually. And yeah, so far for May, 4 trades, 4 wins, and a couple break evens. Okay, we're getting a nice bullish push. Come down, tapped into this area, into this level. Boom, tap. Continuing. How do you calculate? How do you calculate the account gain? It does it automatically, Seal. It does it automatically. I don't do any of these calculations. It does it all itself in the Google documents. I just put in the numbers over here, and it calculates all these numbers that I put in into this area right here. Yeah, Xauusd, I've tried C Trader. I just don't like it. I mean, I'm definitely open to it, to doing like a copy trading thing. But I just don't like C Trader. I've tried it. For example, yeah, it's definitely slower than MT5. For example, I tested it, so I entered a trade on my MT5 account, and then I put some money into C Trader and entered the same trade on my C Trader account. And with that trade, it came down. I was in drawdown. On C Trader, it hit my stop loss, but on MetaTrader, it didn't, even though it was the exact same levels, the exact same spread, right? It was from the same broker. It was literally on the same broker, just one on MT5, one on C Trader, and the C Trader hit my stop loss, but the MetaTrader didn't. So I don't know, man. It's weird. I understand that if it's like a different broker or something like that, but it was literally the same broker. So how does an entry on the same broker but different platforms, one hits stop loss but the other one doesn't? So that literally just has to be down to C Trader itself. FP Markets, Pepe. How do I make money? I'm new here. Job Ray, if you're here to make money, if you get into Forex solely to make money and only focus on money, you're not actually going to make any. You're probably going to lose money. So if I was you, I would not focus on earning money, but learning the skill, right? And that takes years, man. That takes years and years. So if you want to be in it for the long run, and I'm talking about 5-10 years, then you know what I mean, get learning. If not, if you think you're just gonna come in here and make quick quick money and think you're gonna be a millionaire by next year, then you're not. Why don't you have a bigger stop loss and lower lot size then? What do you mean, AMG? You've had bad experience with Pepperstone? How come, Pepe? C-Trader is so dumb. MT5 is way easier to use. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to continue to use MT5 or MetaTrader until, it gets banned. I don't think it's going to get banned in Australia. I know we got banned in the US, I think. Or just a lot of brokers and prop firms stop using them for whatever reason. I don't know. But until it's banned or not available in Australia, I'm going to continue to use it because it's been around for a long time. It's, they have very good servers, very fast execution rates. And, there's a reason that it's been the #1 platform for a long time. And, I'm not sure about MT4. I only use MT5. I'm not sure. I think just MT5 is a lot more updated and modern compared to MT4 in terms of everything, the servers and stuff. Did you see the recent Israel news? New bombing? No, I didn't. I didn't, man. It's just TradingView, Johnny. It's just TradingView, man. How can any countries ban MT5? I'm not sure. I'm not sure the whole reason. I didn't really ever look into it, Seal. I just know that a few people in the academy and a couple of my friends, they were using like a broker or a prop firm that had MT5 and they had to stop. They shut down the broker or the prop firm momentarily because they couldn't use MT5 anymore. And that was just based in the US. Nowhere else, I don't think, but it was just in the US. So I'm not sure what happened in America with MetaTrader, but yeah, they just stopped using it. They're not allowed to use it over there apparently. They were hitting my stop loss even though price did not move at that level. What do you mean price didn't move at that level, Pepe? Was you referencing what kind of account was you on, Pepe? Was you on a raw spread account or was you on a normal account with Pepperstone? Because sometimes during market open, Pepe, even though price won't go to that level, the spread at market open, or for example during like a high impact news event like NFP or something like that, the spread is going to go super high. So even though price didn't go to that level, the spread can still take you out during those moments, right? MT5 is much better. Yeah, I like MT5. Be interesting to see. Let's have a look at the 1 hour time frame. Is the 1 hour time frame closed above? Yeah, the 1 hour time frame has the 4 hour. No, the 4 hour hasn't closed above this level yet. So if you get 4 hour, I mean, you've still got an hour 44. If you get a 4 hour closure above, that's going to be a good indication to continue bullish. But yeah, Pepe, I would say that they're not manipulating, like hitting your stop when it hasn't been hit. I would probably put that down to high spread during certain moments, right? Which would have pushed your entry to your stop loss without price going there, right? Sheppy, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Let's go. With icy markets, nah, I've never had any issues. I've never had, I used Pepperstone for a while as well. I've never had any issues with them. Never had any issues with icy markets. I don't know why I ended up, I can't remember why I ended up leaving them, but I found FP markets. And yeah, I don't know, I just took a liking to FP markets. I can't tell you why. They're just solid, really good spreads. You know, very, very quick for withdrawals and things like that. So have you tried Dominion Markets? Yeah, I have tried Dominion Markets, AMG. Cody, how is gold bearish in daily? Gold is bearish on, obviously it's not based on today's candle. It's taking into consideration the previous like structure, right? So when it's saying bearish up here, it's referring to the current trend and the current structure, right? And if you take a look, it's only just broken the highs here, but if you take a look overall on the daily, it's creating lower highs and lower lows, right? So the structure apart from today is bearish, and that's what it's going off of. How to go with Dominion Markets? Yeah, Dominion Markets is okay. This is what one would call a unregulated broker, and if anyone, you know, knows, then you know. Especially if you're in Australia. What's the best crypto to buy at the moment? I have no idea, man. I'm not tapped into the crypto market like that anymore. Is there any crypto guys in the chat who can help out Jace? I always just say XRP, man. I heavily invested in XRP. It made me quite a bit of money back in the day. I'm not invested in it anymore, but XRP is always a solid choice. What's up, Said? Trading futures? No, this is the gold. So it's you can trade gold futures too quick, but this isn't the futures version of gold. This is just the commodity, the XAUUSD, CFD. How much did you buy XRP for back then? Oh, back when it was like, I don't even know. When it was basically worth nothing. I would say 80% technical, 20% fundamentals. But yeah, I bought quite a bit of XRP back in the day. And then during, I can't remember when it was actually, there was a one of the bull runs, like it might have been like 2018 or something like that, 2017. Yeah, it just, XRP just was on. You know what? Let's take a look. ACY Security is in Australia, right? ACY Security. I'm not sure, Sheppy. Let's have a look. XRP. Let's turn this off and go to the weekly. And let's zoom out. Oh yeah, it would have been this one here. No. Yeah, here, 2017, right? 2017. I bought it like in here somewhere. Yeah, I started buying it like when it was like in these areas. I can't remember exactly when. It was probably, when was that? Probably about 8 or 9 years ago now. So that would be 2014-ish, 2015. So yeah, I was buying it in here from around about, you know, in these areas, all through here. And then I sold it over here somewhere during this huge fucking move to the upside. Made quite a bit. But I have no idea what's happening with XRP right now. What's up, Jacob? Jacob. Any interesting trading documentaries you recommend? I like watching stock market or documentaries related to trading in my free time. I actually can't recommend any. I've never really watched any trading documentaries. Which ones have you watched too quick? I'd actually might be interested in watching some of those. I just never find the time to watch it like that, but it must have made you a millionaire at that price. Not quite a millionaire still. Not quite a millionaire, bro. I feel it. Watch the V Pro series Planet Finance. Oh, I'm actually gonna write that down right now, bro. My little notepad right here. Has anybody else in the chat watched V Pro Planet Finance documentary? TikTok? YouTube? Ryan Putney, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Let's get it. Never heard of it? Yeah, I've never heard of it, but I'm open. I'm always open to trying and watching and listening to new things. What's it about? I have no idea. Somebody in the YouTube chat just told me to recommended me to watch it. V Pro Planet Finance. So, nature of the beast. A six-part documentary series about finance. There is a world made up of numbers, a world where you have to be the smartest or the fastest. A world connected by radio waves and fiber optic cables. A world where you can make money if you think you know what the future holds. A world of fear and desire, where you can win or lose. I call this world Planet Finance. 6 videos. All right, I might have to give this a watch if I can find some free time. Yo, 50 minutes long each episode. Damn. Now the crypto market turns into a money laundering place. Some coins just exist for a day and get pumped like a... Yeah, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. Alright, what is gold doing? What is it doing right now? It's a 5 minute. It's consolidating, right? This is why we don't trade outside of the trading windows. It's what you get. Very slow sideways movement. Flawed is another one. It's about the Chicago trading pits. What the hell is the Chicago trading pits? What are your thoughts of bookmark accuracy? I've never... What is bookmark accuracy, Buggy? Think it could reject this level? I would say what I would wait for right now is... if it is going to reject this overall level, right? This is the previous daily high. Then I would want it to come below this level, retest, and then come back down. That would give me a good indication that price is going to flip bearish. But I would only consider that underneath this level. When's the next trading window? Half an hour. Lower highs, higher lows can go both sides. Where are the lower highs? Back to 2310. I don't know about that. 2310, that's... I mean, it can, but it's 100 pips away. Any news? Nah, no news tonight. Well, not the trading view is telling me anyway. Let me have a look at Forex Factory. There's no lower highs in this formation right now. There's just highs. I mean, if you're talking about this, yeah, potentially a lower high at this point, yeah. But currently in the smaller trend, you got higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, compared to the first move, yeah, over here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. No news today. Just GBP construction PMI, but that's not really going to affect the USD. Nah, nothing. No news. No news. Braza. Since I started winning, I've been having problems sleeping. Damn, Seal. Why, you're just too excited to just get back on the charts and keep winning, or what? Bro's up thinking about where he can spend all his money. Bro's thinking, man, like, I'm winning right now. Like, I just can't stop thinking about buying my Lamborghini, my private jet. Yo, Zaza Stone, appreciate the follow. Let's go. Legit, just like watching the stream, I hardly ever comment. Yeah, you sometimes pop up. You sometimes pop up preaching. I appreciate that though, bro. The worst mistakes you made in trading and why? The worst mistakes I made in trading. Worst, probably the same as everybody else. Just thinking I'm I'm gonna be you know, a millionaire after the first month of trading. You win a couple of trades and you're like, shit man, this is easy. Oh, and then you start doing all the calculations in your head, like, okay, so this week I've won like 5 trades. So if I win 5 trades every week and I start using like a 2 lot size, that means I'm gonna make like, you know, 500 per trade. That equals like 2,000 a week. After like 3 months of doing 2,000 a week, I'm then gonna have like a, you know, like a 20k account. Then I can start using 10 lots. Then I can make like 2k per trade. Then after a year, my account's gonna be like 100k. You know what I mean? That everyone does that when they first start trading. And so then you know, deposit some money and then you end up just losing it and blow your account. So the worst mistake I made was thinking, you know, after a month of profitability and winning a few trades, that, you know, I could flip my account to like 100k in a few months, and then just blowing it, losing that money. I feel like that's what most traders go for, right? That's the route. More of an observer than listener. I like that. I'm with that preaching. To be honest, that's me as well. Whenever I watch streams, if I watch, like, I'm a big, while I'm doing a lot of work for the academy and things like that, I'm a big Twitch watcher. I like to watch Twitch streams, like gaming and stuff like that, right? While I'm doing my work. So yeah, I just lurk in streams. I rarely ever comment, ever, probably ever. So I get that, bro. I get that. Haven't placed an FX trade in 10 years. USD yen got me back into it. 10 years, Pepe. Shit. So what? You was trading 10 years ago and then you went away and then come back. But everyone on TikTok is trading gold. Yeah. I mean, gold's just beautiful to trade, man. That's my same mistake. That's also blew my first 5k account. Yeah, everyone goes through that stage, man. It's just if you're dedicated enough to like pick yourself back up and keep grinding and realize the mistakes you're making, right? Not just making those mistakes again, but just realizing, damn, that was fucking stupid of me. Let's not do that again. When did you first become profitable? Well, like 4 or 5 years ago now. But the stages are profitable, right? There's like the break-even profitable stage, or like the break-even stage, and then the slightly profitable stage, and then like, you know. But if you're just talking about profitable, just flat being profitable, just consistently growing my account, then yeah, probably like 4 or 5 years ago. That's how long it time to be profitable. Well, I've been doing it like almost 8 years now, bro. 7-8 years. So the first 3 years was me losing, being break even, losing, break even, losing, blowing accounts, right? That's mine, Anton. That's my indicator, bro. Forex with Cody Algo version 4. I got my life's biggest win, almost 1,000 in my live account, and close to be profitable. Let's go, Alwin. Go, bro. What's up, H11? What's up, man? I've already been in a long trade. I've already took my trade for today, Anton. So yeah, the indicator gave this buy. Obviously, I broke down the confluence on this buy and why I took it today. But yeah, there was a buy signal on the indicator. There was a buy signal on the 1 hour time frame, right? The same kind of time. And also on the 5 minute time frame. If you take a look at the 5 minute, the 5 minute gave, you know, much cleaner entries. But yeah, beautiful move, right? This is what I always talk about, capturing this move, right? The high volume. It can be done. Obviously, some days there's no volume in the market, so you know, it's not as easy on those days. But catching these moves consistently can be done if you know what you're doing. Is trading the main source of income? Yeah, bro. I posted it on Discord. Yeah, I saw that, Alwyn. I saw that, bro. On BTC as well. Music's a vibe. Good old YouTube. Good old YouTube playlist. Yeah, I am H1. Live on TikTok, yeah. Live on TikTok and YouTube, you know, trying to grow the YouTube channel. It's very hard to grow a YouTube channel. So, you know, I go live on TikTok as well to try and lure people over to the YouTube channel. I think it's working a little bit, but we've got a good regular audience on TikTok as well. We have the same names coming into the TikTok all the time, which is awesome. Nice little community. Only 2 hours. Thank you for the diamond, man. Let's go. What's up, M7? Ahmad? Oh, you Ahmad, right? That's your name. Everyone here in TikTok goes sub to the YouTube. Yeah, everyone in TikTok goes sub, man. Sub up. Trying to grow this YouTube channel. It's damn near impossible. Let's go, preaching. Preaching. We're on the way to 5K, man. We're currently on 3,370 subs. So, you know what I mean? If you want to try to get us to 5K, gee. Yeah, that's what I mean. The TikTok obviously viewing experience is not as good, is it? But I mean, people just love TikTok. It's very convenient. Do you get incentives on TikTok based on how many followers you get? Nah, not at all. Well, you know, like for example, if you've got more followers, then if you know, you're going to get more views on your videos, you're going to get more people in the live streams, and that could lead to other things. But no, you don't get incentives on followers. But yeah, look, this is the perfect example of why we don't trade outside of the trading windows, right? Because if you're trying to take a trade in here, you're just going to get caught in this consolidation right now. the mid-London pre-New York consolidation of death. Can you see my question? Yeah, I can. What's up? Did you ask a question? What's up, Ahmad? What's your question, my guy? You're stuck? Yeah, so at this point you just gotta wait for gold to make its next move, right? There's nothing really you can do here. There's no, you know, based on what is currently happening, there's nothing to go off, right? We've already had the move during this trading window, right? And just take a look, right? As soon as this trading window opens, you can see like consolidation, low volume candles in here. The trading window opens, right? And then boom, you get the move to the upside straight from when this trading window opens. It's beautiful. And then as soon as it stops, trading window ends, boom, consolidation. Time period, this is 30 minute. The 30 minute. That's the end of the playlist. So what's my thoughts on capital.com? Okay, I've never used capital.com. Never used it, Ahmad. But yeah, go ask it in the YouTube as well if you want. Oh, for sure, Ethan. For sure, man. 100%. I'll sometimes use my phone for trading when I'm out. Like, you know, sometimes during the start of my trading window, I have to pick up my daughter from daycare during that time. Sometimes, not all the time. So in those instances, then I'll trade from my phone. But I don't like it. It's very like, you know, it gets a bit overwhelming with like going on TradingView, then switching to MT5, and you know, whereas on my computer I've got all my desks, I've got all my monitors here. I've got 3. I have my TradingView right here on this one in front of me. I have my my MetaTrader over in this one, and I have like Twitch or something open on that one over there that I'm watching like some shit, or YouTube, whatever. But yeah, I couldn't trade full time from my phone, man. Jesus. So yeah, definitely recommend TradingView on PC. Bit more exposure never hurt anybody. Yeah. The market is there currently. What is MySisha going to bring us? Do you read news? Like, how do you know this news for gold? What do you mean? How do you know this news for gold? Are you talking about like this, like the on FOREX Factory? Just knowing when these news events are coming out, or what? Yeah, FOREX Factory. Okay, we're starting to get some. Here we go. We're starting to get this move here now in the market. So now it's rejecting that previous daily high, even though it has broke out. It is rejecting it a little bit. Let's have a look at the 4. 4 hour at this point has come up. It's tried to come up and break previous 4-hour highs. Hasn't, right? Made a lower high. Now it's pushing bearish. So yeah, 1 hour time frame as well. Closed below, rejected, left a nice rejection wick to that key level. Now it's coming down. Like I said, if it starts closing below this level right here, this purple level that you can see on the chart, if we get a closure below, which looking like there is potentially in 13 minutes, then yeah, there's a good chance that price is just going to continue down for New York session, I would say. USD news affects gold, yeah. But how do you know if it will be bearish or bullish? You don't. You don't, Ahmad. You literally don't, bro. There is, you know, there's things you can read and keep up to date on, which will give you an indication, like it could be this, it could be that, or there's a likelihood it's going to be this, likelihood it's going to be that. You know, for example, on Forex Factory, it will have forecast, right? So it will, they'll have a forecast on whether they think it's going to increase or decrease, right? And then based on that, you can make the assumption of if it's going to be bullish or bearish. But nobody really knows until the data drops, unless you're Jerome Powell or someone like that. Nobody really knows if it's going to be bullish or bearish. How do you create purple area? It's just using this tool, bro. The rectangle tool. And then you go into settings, right? And then you just change the background color and the border and stuff. That bearish break and retest you spoke about could be on the cards, yeah. I mean, this is a pretty, you know, price can easily just reject this level as well, pick up liquidity, and then flip back bullish and drive to the upside. So candle closures are going to be important at this point. You can see prices dip back into it. And let's see on the 5 minute. Let's see what happens on the 5. Let's see what happens on the 5. So it can close into this level, right? If this 5 minute closes within this level, then it can also then come back down and close back out and continue bearish. But if it closes back above this level, if it closes above this top area, then yeah, that's the 15 minute close below. We had a 15 minute closure below. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. Hip hop, pibbity hop. So what do you mean by New York session if you in Australia? New York session is when the New York markets open, Ahmad. So you have Asian session, that's when the Asian markets open for the day. Then you have London session is when the London markets open for the day. And then you have New York session, which is when the New York markets open for the day. So just because I'm in Australia, it doesn't mean that I have that, you know, I have to trade, for example, the Asian Open, right? Because for me, the New York markets open usually 8 a.m. local time. But for me, that's like, you know, like 11, 12 p.m. a.m. 11 p.m., 12 a.m. So I can still trade that, right? Because it's good time for me. But yeah, look at this, guys. You know, the website that I use is WAP. Some of you guys will know who are in the academy. They sent me a handwritten letter. WAP? Huh? WAP, I said? WAP. Yeah, sorry, preaching. I was like, WAP, what does it mean, WAP? But then I realized that you said, it might have sounded like I said WAP, but it's WAP. W-H-O-P. It's the website that I use for the academy and stuff like that. Yeah, the owners or whatever they are, the WAP gang, they sent me an actual handwritten letter in the mail. And he said, "Hey, XAU Elite team, hopefully you still check your mail these days." Luckily, I did check it. Usually, I don't. Dude has got some hella neat writing, man. I wish I had handwriting that neat. All right, let's see. So yeah, if the 5 minute starts to come back down now and close back below this level, then there's a good chance it can continue to sell off. Potentially, what's this? And to that level. Yeah, it is, man. It is nice. It's a good little thing that they do. But I'm not sure if they I'm not sure if they do it for everyone, but you know, for a huge company like that to just write to a small time, you know, business like me, handwritten, it's kind of cool. Teach me please about candle closing. What do you mean candle closing? Like this current candle, or you're just talking about any candle? Oh yeah, 100%. It is smart by them. It's a good little tactic that they use. FOREX GBPJPY. I'm not on their marketplace though. I was on it, but then I didn't think it was worth. So you're not gonna be able to find me on their website. You'll be able to go if you click like my actual website link, but I haven't applied to be on their marketplace anymore. So if you go to my TikTok profile and click the link in my profile, then you'll go to my WAP page, but you're not going to be able to find me on their website. No, I don't, Amat, but there's been a lot of people asking lately, so I'm potentially in the process of setting it up. I did do a poll in the Telegram, in the free Telegram channel. If you have a look, where here, right? So I posted this over the weekend. Would you be interested in copying my trades? These are my results since January 1st. Gold trades only, right? And 37 people said yes. So I may be doing it soon. We'll see. Am I entering? Am I entering what? There's no trades currently. Nats, thank you for the follow. Bish, thank you for the follow. NSWKL, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you guys. Let's go. Let's go. How many signals per day and how much? So it will just be whenever I trade, bro. If you take a look at my stats, you will see that I took 20 trades in April, right? 20 trades. 16 in March, right? Only 16 trades in March, 20 trades in April. So it's not like it's going to be like a signal a day. I'm not promising anything like that. But if you want to copy my trades and copy how I trade, then you're gonna potentially be able to do that. But that doesn't mean there's gonna be a signal every day. Some days there's gonna be no signals, and you have to be okay with that. But that's how I've got these results. It's by being patient, by picking the right trades, not trying to take multiple trades a day. Average I would say about 20 trades. Average of about 20 trades a month. Could be below that, could be slightly above it, but average of around about 20 trades per month. Guessing you must look at the 5 minute before you enter a trade? Not necessarily, preaching, no. Not necessarily. How much? I don't know. I don't know how much. How much do you guys think would be a good amount to charge to copy my trades to get these kind of results? This is the part that I always get a bit stuck on, is the amount. What is an amount that you guys will be happy to pay? Am I going to be a silver fraud at MT5? What do you mean, Jeff, on MT5? I use MT5 to trade. I was on the same trade, enter 231748, went up smooth, range for a bit and collapsed down, and I got... You got what? $1 yearly? Got out with a small profit. $20. You should give discount to students. Oh yeah, of course. That's if I do it. That's if I do it. I know a lot of people have been asking me for it lately, so we'll see. Do you have to enter manually? Yeah, you'd still have to enter manually, but unless I do like a MAM account or something. You know what a MAM account is? PAM or a MAM? Have you placed a trade? No, I haven't placed any trades. I pay $60 for 5 signals a day, and the first one of the day was 120 pips. Oh, nice. Well, then you don't need to pay for any others, bro. You got it sorted, brother. Where do I think it's going to end up? I mean, we just have to wait now, right? Until... Oh, we've got 30-minute closures. So the 30-minute ended up actually rejecting this level. You're looking for an EA, Pepe? Yeah, I've also been thinking about that. I've also been thinking about an EA. I just need to find the person who can code that for me, because I have no idea. Yeah, what were the other 4 signals like? I'm mad. So yeah, we've got 30-minute closure now. We've got an hourly closure, all rejecting this level. It's just, I mean, the 4 hours flip back bullish at this point. It's made more of a bottom wick. So you could get, I don't know, it's hard, man. We've tapped into this level. We've closed into this level now on the 30, on the 1 hour. So me personally, I would wait and see how this next 30-minute candle forms, or this next hourly candle forms, And then at that point, you're at a 4-hour closure. At this point, I would wait for a 4-hour closure because obviously right now, look what's happening, right? Price is just ranging, consolidate. There's nothing happening right now at all that you can try and trade, right? Absolutely nothing. So at this point, I would wait for a 4-hour closure in 57 minutes. See how this 4-hour candle forms. See where it goes from here. Yeah, there's a good chance. I mean, price could just continue bullish at this point and see if this 4-hour candle closes above this level. If the 4-hour candle closes above this level, as you can see, we haven't had a 4-hour closure above here yet. It's rejected. So if we get a 4-hour closure above, then that's good signs that price is going to continue bullish, right? Based on this current move for today so far, we can see for today there's clear momentum for the day, right? And that is to the upside at this point with these two 4-hour candles, this one and this one. Gold has made its move. Let's see if it's going to continue or drop back down back into those ranges. So yeah, at this point, like I said, I would just wait for a 4-hour closure and then make your mind from there. Jian T01, they give the follow. Let's go. I sent you a link. What, on TikTok? Watch me get copyrighted for that now. Why did you send me a message, dude? Let's have a look. Here, but it's not showing. Maybe because you sent a link, bro. You're not. I don't think you're allowed to send links in the chat. Sell or buy? Zaza. Wait for the 4H closure at this point. We need a 4H closure because if you just look at, you know, from the 1 hour down, especially the 30, the 15, it's just ranging at this moment, right? So, you know, price, there's no direction right now. No direction at this point. Let's watch the 5. So the 5 has closed below, closed back in. Now we've got a rejection. We've closed back below on the 5. So could get a nice little sell-off here from the 5-minute time frame. Nice little sell-off incoming potentially. An MT5 signal provider on YouTube. What? Oh, really, Jeff? Let me have a little look at that. Here, bro, but I'm a student. Register as a seller. Complete a simple registration procedure to get the seller status. This was for the go to the seller section in your profile. Okay. Signals. Ah, Jeff, buddy, you're onto something now, my guy. Oh yes. Okay. I'll definitely be looking into that, Jeff. I've been trying to figure out something like this for a long time because, like I said, a lot of you guys have been asking me about it. Zero, thank you for the follow. Stays above 2305, then it will head for 2330, 2340. If it stays above 2305. If it stays above 2305. That's fair away. Nice. So I did say it could potentially have a bit of a sell-off right now. I mean, it's only 10 pips, but broke today's low? What do you mean broke today's low? Today's low is all the way down here somewhere. This is today's low. In my view, gold is optimistically looking at 2-2. Okay. Oh, that's all good or no? I was like, what? I was tripping for a second there. I was like, wait, has it? Did it? Breakout of 2280 will build selling pressure and head to 2260. Breakout of 2280. 2280 is all the way down here. You must be a swing trader, my brother. That's like over 300 pips away, bro. 350 pips. Why is sometimes a bug on TradingView? The candle? Which candle? Which candle's bugging? I love the way you go about things. You're very calm. I appreciate that, man. Call me an astronaut if it goes to 2260 from here. 2260. All right. I'll call you an astronaut. The 1 minute chart, probably because of all the liquidity coming into the market. Mafia, I would say. Lower lows, lower highs. Yes, sir. Bow, wow, wow, bow. You trade the 1 minute chart, Mafia. Mark has no direction. Yeah, I agree with that. Bro's name is XAUUSD. You must be like, follow me if you want to trade like a pro. You must be the XAU USD final boss, right? How'd you get that name, bro? How long have you had that name? You've had that name for 7 years. Shit, man. That's gonna be worth some money, bro. Shit, I might even buy that name off you. Alright, so there we go, the sell-off. I mean, this is only the 5-minute time frame. That's 23 pips. Been trading for 11 years. Nice. So what am I doing now? Nah, I'm not doing anything now. Like I said, wait for the 4-hour time frame. But I did say, right, once this candle closes below, there's a chance we're going to get a bit of a sell-off here. What do you think of a buy at 2012? Bro, you guys must be all... Jesus. We got swing traders in the chat today. 2012, that's down here. That's like 2012 pips away. Where is it? 2012. It's like 30,000 pips away, right? Am I tripping? Oh, you meant 20? You meant 23 top. My bad, bro. I was like, yo, we got a hell of a lot of swing traders in the chat today, man. 23.12, right here. Okay. What would you buy there, bro, Mohammed? Just asking, just curious. Not saying it's wrong or not hating, I'm just curious. Why are you looking for buys there? 2303 is a level where both buyers and sellers are waiting. 2303. How'd you know that, bro? How'd you know the buyers and sellers are waiting there? I think because of previous interaction. Okay. What did you say? 2312. Potentially. Because he's him. I just genuinely love to know how people come to these conclusions, you know? No hate. No hate. I'm just genuinely curious. How does he know buyers and sellers are waiting there? History 2303 strong support, which was resistance previously. Oh, so it's basically just a previous support or resistance. So you're saying that because it's a previous level of support or resistance, that's where the buyers and sellers are. Leech, is it possible to have a trial for 24 hours? I mean, I suppose it is. Was a minor level, but is now a strong level? Okay, so what was this? 2303. Let's see. let's go to the 4 hour time frame. I like doing my analysis on the 4 hour time frame. 2303. Two, 3, 0, 3. So you're talking like in here, right? I mean, I can see the rejections on the 4 hour time frame over here. We got this level, and then we have this level, which is valid, but I don't like what is currently happening in here with it. This doesn't give me confidence at all. Maybe on the low time frames it looks a bit better. Yeah, I just don't like how this level looks most recently. I always like to go off the most recent price action. And that just doesn't look like it would be very consistent. $30-minute. Oh, you can see some rejection in the 30. 30-minute looks alright. Oh, it's actually this previous weekly low over here as well. If you have a look at that, you got a previous weekly low, which is literally right at that level. Then you got another weekly rejection here, and it closed below. Now it's looking like it's, you know, trying to close back above maybe. So look at the daily. Daily's got a few taps. What's happening? Yeah, this is GG's, boys. GG's at this point. Amnas, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Amnas. So look at the 5. 5 is pulling back. We've got rejection, which would be in this previous. It's actually rejecting the previous key level. If we go in here and we go like this, you can see that the level in the market from the trading window is actually being retested now. Right here. $22.90. 2290 down here. You a swing trader, bro? Are you a swing trader, brother? XAU USD? It's 2290. It's like 100, about 200 pips away. More. Yeah, it's like 250 pips away. Swing and day trader? Oh, nice. I can feel it slipping away. What I think, buy limit 2312, TP 2326, stop loss 2308. Buy limit 2312. 2312. Okay, Mohammed's got it all mapped out. Mohammed's got it all mapped out. Let's go. I'll be surprised if we get more than 40 pips moved today. Yeah, it's looking that way. I mean, we've already had a move during the first trading window. Oh, yeah, looks awesome. You made it too. You having one? All right. But yeah, Xauusd, the market already moved. We was in this trade here today. So this is, yeah, the market moves generally like this is why I have these trading windows. This is my trade today. Now you can't see it, but yeah, it was this one right here. So during, like, where this green highlighted area is, this is where I like to trade within this trading window. Then when on these dark charts right now where there's no background, I do not trade within here. And then I'll trade the second trading window potentially, which is this one. But yeah, this is why I don't trade within these times. You can get very rangy consolidating markets that you just don't want to be in. But, I mean, we caught the move today. We caught this volume. It was beautiful. Everyone caught the same move. It was like a 100 pip move to the upside. How do I think? I mean, I don't know, Mohammed. I don't know, man. I don't know your analysis or your strategy. So, I mean, if you think it's solid, then you trade time based ICT. Nah, I don't trade. I trade time based. Yeah, it's not time. It's based on candles, Leech. It's based on specific candle closures where I trade. Because if you take a look at the sessions indicator, right? London session starts here, which is 5 p.m. my time, but my trading window starts over here. Okay, so London session starts here, my trading window starts here, which is 3 p.m. my time. So it's not based on sessions or time, it's based on specific candles. I think I missed a message from Tooking. Yo, bro, made my first money today. Let's go, Tooking. What trade did you take, man? It's a bank holiday, right? In the UK. It's not in America though, I don't think. What size of trades do you take? I just take full risk, I take 5 lots. Half risk, I take 2.5 lots. I see a lot of people trading with candles or false breakout. With candles. Oh, part of that move. Let's go, bro. You caught it as well. Let's go. You took 1-to-1, yeah. I took 1-to-1. Took profits at 1-to-1 and then left a runner. Breakout is valid. Not necessarily Xauusd. There's a way I trade breakouts. Like, I suppose what you're saying, yeah, if it holds that level for 10-15 minutes, I suppose you could say that, but yeah, I suppose it's the same thing. I just look for a 15-30 minute closure above a key level. So for example, this level right here on the chart, this one right here, you can see today, this is the 15-minute time frame. Key level came up. If I just mark it out, 15-minute closure above, right? This will be a breakout of a key level during the trading window where you know there's going to be volume and you're going to be able to get in a trade and it push into profit relatively quickly and be able to manage risk, move stops to break even. So yeah, 15-minute closure above, nice 73 pips to the upside. So yeah, I suppose it's, yeah, basically what you're saying. 10-15 minutes. So a 15-minute closure, that gives me enough confirmation. But then you have to find the key levels. You have to find the right key levels. Enter during the right time. Right timing is very important. Lost 40 USD last Friday, got it back today. Nice. Look at this rejection on the 30-minute now. This level. is holding at the moment. Thanks, Tucking. You're always holding it down, bro. Entering afternoons, the wisest used to get clear picture of the trend, yeah. Yeah, Jesus, Tucking. I ask people to always remind me to stop biting my nails because I've been doing it for like, I've been doing it since I was like 14, 15. So it's just habit for me now. Like most of the time I'm doing it, I don't even realize that I'm doing it. So that's why Tucking always reminds me. Because I don't want to bite them. I look like an idiot when I'm biting them. I'm sitting here like, I look like a nervous wreck. Free calcium. I was trading emotions USD. Yo, that's actually funny, bro. I've never heard that one before. Yo, what pair are you trading? Emotions USD. You should bite now. Saves now. Clipping time. Yeah, but bro, I literally bite them until there's nothing left. Look at this. I bite all around it and shit. Like, bad, man. Literally, I don't know how I bite my nails anymore because there's literally no fucking nails there. Like, nothing. That's bad. Alright, Tucking, peace out, bro. Better than smoking? Yeah, I mean, if you look at it like that. It does seem a bit cursed. Like, sometimes I'm sitting there and, like, my jaw's, like this, and I'm, like, with my nails, and I'm just staring. I look like a madman. Do you trade with chart patterns? Yeah, chart patterns. Like, price, just simple chart patterns, price action, breakouts. See, I'm doing it again. It's just automatic. Look, it cannot be stopped at this point. It cannot be stopped. Oh, there we go. We have a 30-minute closure below. 30-minute closure below. Like even in the videos on my TikTok and stuff and my Instagram, like the recorded videos of when I'm trading, like I'm literally biting my nails in those videos. I look like an idiot, but there's nothing I can do, man. There is nothing I can do. Do you fib up the ranges key levels? Nah, don't leech. I also I'm also a massive like always crack my knuckles, my shoulder, my back. Like I could stand up right now and twist, and my back would just be like. Don't be harsh on yourself. It's not, yeah, I mean, I just want to stop doing it. I don't want to bite my nails, but at this point it's too far gone, you know? It's the neck for me. You hear the bones grinding in your ears. Yeah, I'm too scared of doing anything with my neck, bro. I watched this video the other day. I've always wanted to go to and see a chiropractor and get my neck cracked. Like, that seems like the most amazing thing ever in the world to me. Getting my neck cracked. You know when they put your head on the side like that and they go, like, I've always wanted that done, but I've just never got around to doing it. And then I saw this. I was reading this. I was reading something the other day on, I can't remember where it was, but a woman was talking about how her husband had died recently, and it was after he went to the chiropractor and he got a neck adjustment. And there's an actual name for it where you can, it's actually well known that you can die from it. And a lot of people apparently have. And yeah, it's actually a thing. You should look at it. If you're ever thinking about going to a chiropractor and getting your neck cracked, make sure you read about that first, because yeah, a lot of people have died from it. So for that reason, I don't do anything with my neck, bro. Like, you can only trust chiropractors as much as you can trust another man to trade your account. Yeah. But for someone like me who loves cracking my knuckles and any joint I can possibly crack that I can know how, and I know how to do it, I'll do it. I can do like my groin area, my knees, my elbows, my like shoulders, my collarbone, my back, my hips. Like, I can crack anything, bro. So a chiropractor for me sounds amazing, but when I read that, I was like, hell no. I'm on UK now. I'm in Australia. I'm from the UK, but I'm in Melbourne, Australia right now. Yo, D, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, bro. Interesting. Let's see the 15. 5. 5 is just... Bryce is just really retesting this level right now. Never had that ability. I wouldn't call it an ability. It's just something you just... I don't know, man. It started with like my knuckles and stuff, and then it went to like wrists. Then it went to like shoulder, and then yeah, now it's just never ending. I was just thinking, I mean, I think your spine is fine, Leech. Like, it's just the neck. It's just the neck is well known to be one of those areas where it can cause serious damage if the chiropractor does it wrong, right? Why did I move to Oz? Just wanted to get out of the UK, and you know, I met my partner over here, and decided to move over here. But yeah, there's an actual I think, yeah, it was a post on Instagram, Leech, and the woman was talking about, yeah, she was posting about her husband and that he had a neck adjustment previous, like literally the day of or the day before he died, and the doctors put it down to his neck adjustment. It can cause like stroke. He had like a stroke, right? And it can cause, if it pinches like something in your neck or something like that, it can cause you to have a stroke. And in the comments, there was like 40,000-50,000 comments, and loads of the comments were all just people saying, yeah, that happened to so and so, that happened to my dad, that happened to my partner, that happened to my mom, that happened to this person. Like, there was just endless comments of people saying that it had happened to them, or that experienced it happening to somebody in their family. Yeah, just look it up, bro. There's loads of like articles and things on it. CNA, thank you for the follow. Let's go. Which part of the UK? What are you saying? I'm from Birmingham. Birmingham. You do well to get out of the UK, yeah. That place is toast, man. Right now it is, anyway. Look at this volume. So we got New York open in 20 minutes, right? So that's why we're seeing this volume come in here. Price is closing back above, driving to the upside. Nice. But even though there's movement happening, there's volume, it's still is happening within this range, right? So we need to see a break of this range, because if you see over here, right, volume came into the market to the upside on a couple of occasions, right in here and then right over here, right? So we had that volume movement, that sharp volume movement once, twice, but price still remained within this range. So we need to see a break above and at least a break up, you know, above these levels over here to clear these highs. I left UK, moved to Dubai. Nice, bro. Yo, LOL, let's go, bro. Thank you for the tiny diny. Don't go dying kind of stand. Nah, I'm not seeing no chiropractor anymore after reading that, bro. Or if I was, it would just I would say, yo, do not touch my neck, my guy. Stay away from the neck. Have you seen those chiropractors that put like the strap around people's like jaw, like that, like under there, and then they lie down and they pull the strap, like they yank it? Like, Jesus Christ, man. All right, man. All right, XAUSD, appreciate it, man. Thank you for stopping by and chatting. That shit looks nasty, bro. I've seen some videos where they do that. They rip them with the strap, and then they go up to the person's knees, and they like hit their knees to see if they've still got movement. Like they haven't just ripped their spinal cord out of their fucking throat. Shit's crazy, man. Yeah, it looks hella painful, man. It looks hella painful, bro. What happened? Nothing happened yet, man. Price is still ranging. Still ranging within these levels. Yeah, I think I'll just stick to cracking my own joints and bones. Probably why, man. It's because this is probably. I was wondering why the lighting situation was a little bit off. I could feel it. About this. That's better. It's flying up. I mean, there is some volume right now, Ahmad, but it's still within this range, right? So until it breaks out of you know, one of these levels, it's not really doing anything right now. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna head off. Beautiful trade today. We'll see what tomorrow brings. I'll be live tomorrow. Ahmad, you want to see a break above here, bro? You want to see a break above this level? 2324 352. But yeah, I'll be live tomorrow, TikTok and YouTube. Appreciate the likes, the follows, the diamonds. Appreciate you guys stopping by and keeping me company on TikTok and YouTube. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I've took my trade for today, so you know, I'm done. If you guys have traded today, do not be tempted by any other trades. You know, take your profits and then get out of there. All right, see you guys tomorrow. See you later, crypto man. See you later, man. Bye. Peace out, Leech. Peace out, YouTube. Appreciate you guys, man. We're slowly growing this YouTube channel. We're gonna see if we can get to 5K. 5K subs within the next couple of months, hopefully. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. I'll be live same time, 8 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time. Let's get it.